Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable judges, respected teacher, and all participants that I'm proud of. First of all, let us thank Allah, the Almighty, for His blessing so we can gather here in good health. May peace and blessing always be upon our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Ladies and gentlemen, a land rich in knowledge, a land wide in culture, a land strong in history. In the year 1483 to 1521, during the leadership of the great King Sri Baduka Maharaja, but also known as Prabu Siliwangi, Sandanis land stood strong. It was not only a region, but also a symbol of glory and honor. At the time, Sandanis land was like beautiful garden of life. Villages were well organized, green rice fields spread everywhere, and rivers flowed like lifelines for all living things. In the center of the kingdom, Pakuan Pajajaran, culture grew, knowledge developed, and villages become strong with the principles of Sili Asah, learning from each other, Sili Asih, loving each other, and Sili Asuh, caring for each other. A great civilization was built not only strong in structure, but also strong in character. However, time never stops. It keeps moving, and today we live in modern era full of progress, but also full of challenges. The values of Sili Asah, Sili Asih, and Sili Asuh are slowly fading. Cooperation is being replaced by individualism. Good manners are replaced by rude words and behavior. Young people, who should be the next generation, often know more about foreign culture than their own identity. The Sandanese language, our mother tongue, is now rarely used in the daily life. Ladies and gentlemen, seeing the condition, will we just stay silent? Are we willing to let our glory disappear and become only a story for future generations? Or will we rise and bring back up Sandanese culture? The answer is simple. We must start from real action. If you look around, especially Tasikmalaya, city known for religious police and culture, we have actually great potential. We have strength to bring back our glory. First, preserve language and matter. Tasikmalaya is now a city of Prasante. This is not just a name, but also a strong foundation to protect our moral values. Let us respect each other and care one another. Let us use polite and beautiful Sandanese language again in daily conversation. Second, develop cultural-based creativity economy. Look at the beauty of payung gelis, the art of Tasik embroidery, and the uniqueness of kolong gelis. These are not just products, but also a symbol of creativity and culture. By supporting local products, we also support our identity. Third, protect nature and environment. As the saying goes, if the forest is destroyed, the people will suffer. We must protect our environment, including the beauty of Mangalunggung, and keep our city clean. Ladies and gentlemen, reviving Sandanese culture does not mean we reject modern life. It means we move forward while keeping our identity. Let us prove from Tasikmalaya, the line of Sandanese culture will shine again to the world. Sandanese glory will never disappear as long as we keep its values. Finally, I apologize if there are any mistakes in my words. Long life Sandanese culture. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.